Good morning, my green friends. Martin Luther King once said, "Even if I knew that the world would go to pieces, I'd still plant my apple tree." That's the power of optimism that nature provides us. Today I speak to you about the sapota, which is commonly known as Sapodilla, Chikoo, Chikoo or naseberry, which is a long-lived evergreen tree native to southern Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean. Popular for its sweet fruit. The sweet, fleshy brown skin and grainy texture makes it a delight to eat. I am told that it was my favorite when I was a baby and it just started to eat regular soft food. The soft, fleshy sapota fruit is also used to make smoothies, milkshakes and other desserts, but it is not cooked. Thankfully, we have outlasted the year's frost since it doesn't grow very well in cold. But mature trees like these can tolerate a little. Sapota flowers are white in color. They may produce fruits twice a year. Though it's tough saving them in monkey-infested areas like Delhi and NCR, it can grow in any type of soil with good drainage. They usually don't require much pruning and are mostly pest-free. However, it may take a few years after germination to bear fruit. This one took about 3 years' time. They like bright sunlight and grow best under direct sun. Chikoo is extremely good for health. It is rich in dietary fiber and a great laxative. It is anti-inflammatory and rich in vitamin A and C. Sapota is energy-giving and sugary. It improves bone health. It is also very good for skin. Its popular varieties in India are sometimes called cricket ball, kali patli and chhatri. The young fruits are stone hard, but as they ripen, they start giving out a sweet fragrance and start softening. You may even pluck them when they are hard and wrap and keep them in warm, dry spots in your kitchen. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.